chill that shit out.
Dude, you doing all that shit in front of 12. Yes. Nah, hell no.
Straight A right here, underground tune, and you got me, Catless. You said what? Alright, y'all boys, as y'all can see, it is the next day, and unfortunately we had to cut the camera because we had police following us. So we was going too crazy. We was getting followed on the freeway by 2 police, as y'all can see in the clip, on both sides of the freeway. So I had to pick the camera back up and give y'all a little bit more content before we end it off, man. And but while I got y'all right here, just want to say appreciate everybody for showing love on all the videos, from the likes, the comments. Even if you clicked on the video, I appreciate you, man. But that just go a long way. We're gonna keep growing the channel, man. And y'all, we're gonna keep going up. Y'all a family, man. We're gonna keep growing the channel. So everybody that like, comment, share, click on the video, I appreciate you. It really mean a lot, man. We're gonna keep going up, man. But like I said, we was getting followed by the police. So I'm gonna give y'all a little bit more sound. And we're gonna end it right there, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned. And yeah, man, we about to cut up for this last little minute to my next destination. So let's go. y'all cash out? I'm finna send it right now. Okay. We gonna donate to they whatever they got going on, y'all boys. When the video done, I'ma send that to them. Chill out, y'all boys. You see 12 right there? These boys be hot where I stay at, man. But yeah, man, let me go and wrap up this video for today, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all follow the IG, man. If y'all got any questions, man, hit me in my DM, man. I respond back to everybody. And then y'all make sure y'all follow the TikTok too, man. Same thing as the IG, just no underscores. Same thing as IG, just no underscores. Straight 392 Jordan. And follow the TikTok. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, man. We're gonna keep running the channel up, man. I appreciate every last one of y'all, man. And with that being said, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Oh, they right there at Chick-fil-A too.